Tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix your Instagram post stuck on preparing. So it is very easy to fix this issue if your Instagram post is stuck on preparing. First, go to your settings and then go to apps. Then look for Instagram. Then on Instagram, go to storage and make sure you clear up cache. So just select this where it is written clear cache. So after clearing cache, try to see if that has fixed your issue. If still the post is on preparing, then just go to the Play Store. And this has helped a lot of people. Just go to the Play Store and look for the Instagram app. Then make sure it is updated to the latest version. As you can see, mine is that it hasn't been updated. So make sure your Instagram app is being updated to the latest version. If it has been updated to the latest version, then, but still you're facing this issue, then the last step you need to do is to uninstall Instagram and then reinstall. So that's the last option. If all of the steps you have tried and still get your Instagram post is still on preparing, it is stuck on preparing, then just uninstall Instagram and reinstall it. Thank you.